overlooking the public transport system. Madrid's public transport system is efficient, affordable, and well-connected, yet many tourists opt for taxis or ride-shares out of convenience. Or worse, they walk everywhere, exhausting themselves before the day's over. Misjudging the ease of navigating the city is a mistake you'll want to avoid. The metro is one of Madrid's greatest assets. With 12 lines crisscrossing the city, and stations near most major attractions, it's a fast and reliable way to get around. Whether you're heading to the Royal Palace, Gran Via, or the Prado Museum, there's almost always a metro stop nearby. A single ticket costs just a few euros, and multi-day passes make exploring even more affordable. Buses are another excellent option, covering areas where the metro doesn't reach. They're perfect for enjoying views of the city as you travel, and night buses ensure you can get home safely after a late dinner. Madrid's commuter trains, or cercanías, are ideal for day trips to nearby destinations like Toledo or Segovia. By mastering public transport, you'll not only save money but also avoid the stress of navigating traffic or overpriced tourist taxis. Plan your routes ahead of time, download a transport app, and consider purchasing a reloadable transport card for added convenience.